The world is holding its breath as we face the possibility of a worldwide disaster caused by giant holes on the sun. The recent hole, 30 times Earth's size, has opened up on the surface of the sun, blasting solar winds that'll reach up to 1 million miles per hour. And what's even more terrifying is that the winds produced from this hole are scheduled to reach Earth by the time you're watching this video. Scientists around the world are struggling to comprehend this mysterious event, and their attempts to provide answers only seem to generate further questions. In this video, we take a closer look at the two giant holes in the sun that could spark a global disaster. Before we begin, please consider giving the video a thumbs up and subscribing, as it greatly benefits the channel and your support is highly appreciated. The sun, a seemingly constant and unchanging force in our solar system, is far from predictable. Its activity undergoes a cycle that spans over 11 years, during which its magnetic field flips and becomes more active, producing sunspots, flares, and mass ejections. One of the more intriguing phenomena that occur during the sun's peak activity is the appearance of coronal holes. These cooler and less dense regions on the sun's surface appear as black spots and allow solar wind to escape more easily into space, which can ultimately disrupt Earth's magnetic field. However, the current coronal hole spotted by NASA is unlike any other observed before. Located on the sun's equator, it has caused significant concern among scientists who have been closely monitoring it. The hole measures approximately 250,000 miles across, equivalent to 30 Earths lined up back to back. It is a source of high-speed solar wind, which can travel at speeds of up to 500 miles per second. As scientists continue to monitor this giant coronal hole, they have expressed serious concerns about its potential impact on Earth's magnetic field and technology. Geomagnetic storms, which can travel at speeds of up to 1.8 million miles per hour, could have catastrophic consequences. These storms carry particles that interact with Earth's magnetic field, causing it to ring like a bell. This phenomenon can trigger auroras across the sky, leading to natural beauty, but also causing power outages and disrupting communication networks and GPS systems. In addition to the potential impact on Earth's magnetic field and technology, coronal holes have another intriguing aspect. Scientists recently revealed that a section of the sun had left the surface and began circulating around the top as if it was a huge polar vortex. This left researchers terrified without really knowing why. As NASA continues to study the sun and its activity, they may discover more about the impact of coronal holes on the planets and moons in our solar system. The current hole on the sun appears as a dark patch on images taken with ultraviolet and X-rays, and scientists are attempting to determine what it means for our planet's safety. Although not a traditional hole in the sun, its wide and cool region is cause for concern. And as we enter a new phase of increasing solar activity, scientists predict that solar flares and coronal mass ejections will become more common. These events have been known to surge power grids and fry satellites, potentially leading to worldwide disaster. The unpredictability of the sun serves as a reminder that we still have much to learn about its impact on our planet. Although solar activity has been studied for centuries, scientists are still constantly making breakthroughs in solar science, and there is still much to discover. The recent discovery of giant holes in the sun has left experts puzzled and searching for answers. This recent discovery of giant holes on the sun serves as a humbling reminder of the immense power and unpredictability of our nearest star. As we continue to rely on technology to power our daily lives and expand our exploration of the universe, it becomes increasingly crucial to develop advanced tools and techniques that can predict and mitigate the impact of solar activity on our planet and beyond. Not only does this have significant implications for our understanding of Earth, but it also holds the key to unlocking the mysteries of our vast cosmos. By taking steps to better comprehend and prepare for the effects of the sun's activity, we can improve our ability to explore space and expand our horizons. Thanks for watching. If you've enjoyed this video, be sure to like and subscribe and hit the bell.